Cheer up. This means to make someone feel happier. Example, cheer up. Everything is going to be all right. Let's go get some ice cream. Cut in means to interrupt someone who is speaking. Example, excuse me for cutting in, but I think we should consider a different approach. Drop out means to quit a school or a course before finishing it. Example, I've decided to drop out of college to pursue my passion for music. End up means to finally be in a particular place or situation. Example, we took a wrong turn and ended up in a completely different town. Give away means to give something for free. Example, I decided to give away all my old clothes to charity. Grow up means to become an adult. Example, it's amazing to see how quickly kids grow up. Warm up. Warm up means to prepare for physical activity by doing gentle exercises. Example, make sure you warm up properly to avoid any injuries during the match. Give out means to distribute something. Example, the teacher gave out the assignments at the beginning of the class. Brush off means to dismiss someone or something as unimportant. Example, he brushed off my suggestion without even considering it. Clean up means to make a place clean and tidy. Example, we need to clean up this room before our guests arrive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.